This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends PC on your mobile device. First, understand that you'll be streaming the game from your computer, not running it natively on your phone. This method allows you to enjoy the full PC version of League of Legends from anywhere with a good internet connection. We'll cover the necessary tools and setup steps to get you started. To begin, you'll need a remote play application. Popular options include Steam Link, Moonlight, or other dedicated remote desktop software. Install your chosen app on both your PC and your mobile device. Make sure League of Legends is already running on your computer before attempting to connect from your phone. This establishes the necessary link for streaming. Next, focus on customizing your mobile controls. Most remote play apps allow you to create custom overlays, mapping your PC's keyboard and mouse actions directly onto your phone's touchscreen. Experiment with different layouts and sensitivities to find what works best for you. For a more traditional feel, connecting a Bluetooth controller can significantly improve your precision and overall experience. For the best experience, optimize your performance. Connect to a strong, stable Wi-Fi network, preferably a 5 GHz connection, to minimize lag. Close any background apps on both your PC and mobile device that might consume bandwidth or processing power. Additionally, lowering League of Legends in-game graphics settings can significantly reduce the data streamed, leading to smoother gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.